With many of us having to work from home these days because of the continued restrictions on lockdowns, the whole work from home situation has caused many of us to find new and inventive ways to still be able to work at our house while also trying to find that middle ground of comfort. Because honestly, I don't know a single person that wants to feel like they're working, and especially at home. Well, thankfully, there's a way that you can do that, and that's with a laptop desk for your bed, which will allow you to be able to work in the comfort of your own bed while still having the necessary space and function of working at an actual office desk. So without further ado, let's get right into the video of our list on the top 3 most popular laptop desks for beds. Starting off our list, we have the Saiji Adjustable Bed Desk. If you're needing a very solidly built adjustable desk area with plenty of room for your laptop, books, notebooks, and other supplies, all while letting you chill out and relax in your big comfy pillows on the bed, then you've got to check out the Saiji Adjustable Bed Desk. The Saiji Adjustable Bed Desk comes with 2 auto-lock buttons on each side that can quickly change height easily, and with table legs that can be set to 5 different heights, adjustable from 10.6 inches to 15.4 inches. You can have the perfect position to work in no matter where you lay. In addition, 2 clamps can be used to adjust the surface angle, allowing you to have 4 different angles from 0 degrees to 36 degrees, so as to give your eyes a better position to see what you're doing. There's even a detachable mouse and notebook slip, which can keep your device on the lap desk, preventing the tablet and mouse from sliding off down to the floor, causing you to get up and move around. This multifunctional table will be a perfect addition to any sort of work you need done, be it at home or the home office. Use it as a laptop workstation, laptop stand for bed, a children's bed table, a mini writing table, laptop couch table, or even a standing table for office work. There's literally endless possibilities as it becomes the great balance for relaxing and productivity. Light but sturdy, the Saiji Adjustable Bed Desk can be folded flat for space-saving storage for whenever you're done with your projects. This lap desk allows you to work on the spot, in which you can set your laptop writing workstation anywhere. It can make your work environment become more healthy and more convenient. Next up on the list, we have the Nearpow Laptop Bed Table. If you want something more heavy-duty or you have a larger laptop, the Nearpow Laptop Desk may be your best option. The polished wood surface, aluminum legs, and ABS wrist rest make it ultra-durable and reliable. The surface measures 24 by 14 inches, which easily accommodates a 17-inch laptop and mouse. There's enough area to use a mouse, keyboard, iPad, and some extra accessories. The height is 11.8 inches, which leaves enough space to stretch your legs as well as keeping the desktop off your lap to prevent heat buildup. And the larger footprint is ideal for holding a few books or notebooks or serving breakfast in bed. Adjustments are simple with the flick of a button and can be performed even with the table loaded with gear. There's even buttons on the side of the legs to adjust the desk to 5 different height settings, 9.4 to 12.6 inches, and the tray also tilts forward and locks into 3 positions from 0 to 30 degrees so you can type, read, or stream with ease. 2 clips at the bottom prevent your items from sliding off when you tilt the tray. Making it where those awkward mid-bends to pick up dropped pencils or a book is no more. You can get to work immediately with the Nearpow Bed Desk because there's nothing to assemble. You just unfold the legs, set your height and angle, then boom! You're ready to get everything from work knocked out for the day. That means that it's also incredibly convenient to store. Just fold it up and slide it under your bed or into a closet, all without any sort of extra pieces hanging around or wires and hooks that could just look unsightly in your home. Last, and certainly not least, we have the Back Posture Stand Bed Desk. By far, the Back Posture Stand Bed Desk is one of the most adjustable and versatile desks on our list, with the ability to rotate 360 degrees and lock in place at various angles. Quickly collapse the stand to make it portable and be able to work in the optimum position to support spinal alignment with the posture stand. This multifunctional posture stand will be a perfect addition to your office, home, or home office and can be used as a multifunctional workstation, a standing desk for office work, TV dinner tray, book tray, writing desk, or even as a laptop or table stand for relaxing in bed, or a tablet/notebook holder. The Back Posture Stand Bed Desk is able to fit every type of laptop and tablet that you can think of, from Windows to Chromebooks, from iPads to Macs. You can have plenty of space to keep all of your work in one place thanks to its huge surface. With a max standing height of 22 inches, 22.5 inches wide space for your legs, and a base of 12 inches, and an added side mounting stand to hold your mouse and other electronic devices, this Back Posture Stand Bed Desk is going to be your best friend and most convenient workstation that's going to have you wondering why you didn't have this earlier. Something as well to take note of is the Back Posture Stand Bed Desk is made using zinc alloy joints and aluminum components, making it one of the sturdiest and most durable laptop stands on the market, along with being able to hold up to 50 kilograms or 110 pounds, allowing you to have a super long-lasting bed desk table that will meet all of your workload needs. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top 3 picks for the most popular bed desk tables out there on the market. Which one do you want to go out and grab for your next work from home session? Are there any bed desk tables that we missed which you think should have been on our list? Let us know in the comment section down below if you enjoyed this video. Please give us a big thumbs up if you like what we do. Plus, subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and content just like this. Not to mention, if you do want to grab yourself any of these products that we covered in today's video, you can check them out down in the description below if you want to pick them up. If you want to check out more amazing product reviews by us, then click on one of these videos here to learn more.